How to verify your age on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can verify your age on Clubhouse. So let's go right now. The first thing was that while creating your account on Clubhouse, you were not asked to input your age, right? That shows that you cannot verify your age yourself on Clubhouse. So how do you do it? Once you are logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. And then on the profiles page, click on settings. On the settings page, you can now see some options, right? Then click on your scroll down until you can see the option contact us or FAQ. So click on contact us or FAQ, and then you'll be redirected to the customer support where you can now make your concern known, look for an option to explain your request to verify your age, and then Clubhouse support will review your request. And note that this may take or this may ask for additional information, all right? Ensure you provide all the information, and it may take up to 3 business days for them to get back to you. But once they've gotten back to you, your age will be verified. It is that simple. To find your way to your profile settings, and then click on contact us, contact the customer support, and you're good to go. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.